How to customize product gallery in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to customize the product gallery into your Wix Studio website. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going basically to select the website that has the built-on Wix Studio emblem or label on it. So we are going to click on it. And after that, we are going to make sure that we are going to have the proper dashboard, which is going to be named Wix Studio. Now, what we're going to do is basically to make sure that we have at least some products. So we are going to have here catalog, store products. We are going to check up the products and see if we have some. And here we have them. If you do not have a product or a store yet into your Wix Studio website, it is going to be very easy to have it. Click on apps, app market, and then we are going to type in Wix stores, just like that. And we are going to apply or have this, as you can see, app installed, and then we are going to open it. I'm going to open it, but here I have already set up my Wix stores app. So I'm going to head over my website, and we are going to see the specific, as you can see, product sections. So what we're going to do is to head over the pages and make sure that we are going to have here the category page and also the product page had on in here. So what we're going to do basically is to have the specific product section. We're going to add a new section, and then we're going to add an element. From these elements, we're going to head over to store. You're going to see the product grid or grid product gallery, slider product gallery. So choose one of them, and we're going to insert it into the new section. So basically it is going to be attached, and it is going to be resembling all of these. So I'm going to fit it to the center, so just like that, and we're going to have it a little bit upper. So like that, it is going to be better. Now, how can we customize it? Either you are going to manage the product by clicking on here, so it will open up the dashboard, or you can go ahead and have the section settings for it. Click on setting, and you're going to see the grid gallery. As you can see, categories. You can have here the display, like having the product name, the name, and the price. Also divider. You can have a divider in here, the product price, discount name, a ribbon, and etc. Everything you can go ahead and have them. You can also have all type of filters and also sorting into this specific section. For the settings, you're going to have the scroll behavior and also the image hover effect. Now for the layout, you can have the product grid. As you can see here, the grid behavior, the minimum card width, as you can see. You can have here, as you can see, also the product per load, spacing between columns, and spacing between rows. Now for the design, you can have here the general design, like the background opacity and the colors. We have the filter and sorting. This is going to be something related only to design, the colors, and also the layout. The product information, all the colors, and also the fonts that has been implemented. Now for text, you're going to maybe have the text changed to some of the placement of them. The filtering and the sorting, you can go ahead and show up the sort options and also the filtering options, just like that. And finally, we have the click view or the quick view. The quick view is going to be a quick pop-up that will appear if you're going to click on a product and do not want to open up the page directly. So you can have it as a pop-up. You can go ahead and customize the things on them. Now, aside from that, you can go ahead and open up the, as you can see here, the element inspector and set up the size and the responsive behavior, the position, the adjustment, as you can see, of the skew, scale, translate, and etc. And also you're going to have the anchor as an option, so you can go ahead and link it directly to the specific site navigation. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.